Is limited autonomy a problem for medical assistants? Imagine a healthcare environment where medical assistants are essential members of the team, yet their scope of practice is carefully defined and sometimes restricted. This scenario prompts a question that many in the medical field consider. Does having limited independence hinder the effectiveness of medical assistants? To explore this, it is important to understand the roles and responsibilities assigned to these healthcare professionals. Medical assistants perform a wide range of tasks that include administrative duties such as scheduling appointments, maintaining patient records, and billing, as well as clinical responsibilities like taking vital signs, preparing patients for examinations, and assisting with procedures. Their scope of practice varies significantly depending on state regulations, the setting in which they work, and the policies of individual healthcare facilities. In some regions, medical assistants are authorized to perform certain clinical tasks independently, while in others they requiring supervision or direct oversight from licensed healthcare providers such as physicians or nurse practitioners. The limitations placed on medical assistants are often intended to ensure patient safety and maintain high standards of care. For example, tasks that involve diagnosing, prescribing medications, or making clinical judgments are typically reserved for licensed healthcare providers. These restrictions are based on the level of training and education required to perform such responsibilities safely and effectively. Consequently, medical assistants are empowered to handle routine tasks that support patient care but are not authorized to make clinical decisions that could significantly impact patient health. However, some argue that limited autonomy might restrict the efficiency and scope of medical assistance, potentially leading to delays in patient care or increased workload for supervising providers. When medical assistants are unable to perform certain clinical tasks independently, it may requiring additional steps or approvals, which could slow down processes in busy clinics or hospitals. On the other hand, this structured approach helps prevent errors and ensures that complex clinical decisions are made by trained professionals with the appropriate expertise. In many healthcare settings, the balance between autonomy and supervision is carefully calibrated to optimize patient safety while maximizing the contributions of medical assistants. Proper training, clear protocols, and effective communication channels are critical to ensuring that medical assistants can work efficiently within their scope of practice. This approach allows them to provide valuable support, improve workflow, and enhance patient experiences without compromising safety. In conclusion, while limited autonomy for medical assistants might seem like a restriction, it is often a safeguard designed to protect patients and uphold quality standards. When integrated thoughtfully into healthcare teams, these limitations do not necessarily pose a problem. Instead, they define a framework within which medical assistants can perform their roles effectively and safely.